Thank you for buying this 15578 keyboard riser stand from Fixture Displays. This comes with protective film. We're going to peel that off later. The measure is 16 inches by 5.3 by 1.57 inches. This is a perfect unit to keep your keyboard elevated and help dissipate heat and make it more ergonomic to use your daily work. You want to make sure you peel off the protective film on both sides before use, and you can put your keyboard on. The angle is perfect. It's really comfortable. We now put it on a spinner to give you a 360-degree view of this unit. If you like this video, please consider subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Well, on fixturedisplays.com, I encourage you to browse many other products and services we have to offer. We also have computer risers, printer stands, and so on and so forth. Feel free to email us at cs@fixturedisplays.com or text us 630-296-4196.